Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious mixed salad at home. First, let's talk about your greens. Choose fresh, crisp varieties like romaine, spinach, or mixed spring greens. Make sure to wash them thoroughly under cool water and then dry them completely using a salad spinner or paper towels. This step is crucial for a great texture and for dressing adherence. Next, it's time to add some vibrant vegetables and satisfying protein. Think about bell peppers, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, or shredded carrots for color and crunch. For protein, grilled chicken, hard-boiled eggs, or plant-based options like chickpeas or lentils work wonderfully. Aim for a good mix of textures and flavors to keep things interesting. Now for the dressing and those delightful finishing touches. You can whip up a simple vinaigrette with olive oil, vinegar, and seasonings, or pick a favorite store-bought dressing. For toppings, consider toasted nuts, sunflower seeds, or crunchy croutons. Remember to add the dressing right before you serve the salad to ensure everything stays crisp and fresh. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Use a large bowl and gently toss your salad ingredients with the dressing. Make sure every leaf and every piece of vegetable gets a nice, even coating. Serve your freshly made mixed salad immediately to enjoy its peak freshness and flavor. It's a simple, healthy, and delicious meal you can customize endlessly and enjoy anytime.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.